What would you do if your income disappeared in an instant? No prior warning, no backup plan, just an abrupt halt and a rush of anxiety. You glance at your inbox, but there's nothing there. No responses, just an overwhelming silence. It's a surreal moment until it becomes your reality. Experiencing job or income loss is one of the most challenging situations anyone can encounter. It impacts your finances, self-esteem, and tranquility, all simultaneously. However, here's the reality. This situation doesn't have to defeat you. You have the ability to navigate through it and potentially emerge even stronger if you take proactive steps from the start. In this video, we will outline 5 crucial financial strategies you should implement immediately. They're practical, simple, and made to keep you in control, no matter how tough things get. And at the end, I'll share a bonus tip that most people completely overlook. It could save you hundreds or even thousands during your toughest months. Because surviving a job loss starts with knowing exactly what to do next. Hey there, welcome to Fintech Innovate AI, where we turn money stress into smart, simple strategy. This is the place where personal finance gets real, practical, and easy to understand. Let's walk through 5 smart money moves you can make immediately after losing your income. 1. Don't panic. Pause and assess the situation. Losing your income feels like the ground has shifted beneath you. It's emotional, it's scary, and it's easy to spiral into panic. But before you react, take a moment to pause. Because in moments like this, a calm mind is your most powerful asset. Start by understanding exactly where you stand financially. Ask yourself, how much money do you have in your bank account right now? What bills are due this week, this month? What can't be delayed? Get honest about your numbers, the good, the bad, and the urgent. Now ask, how long can you survive without new income coming in? 1 week, a month? Knowing your runway helps you make smart moves. When everything feels uncertain, clarity becomes your lifeline. It helps you stop reacting emotionally and start making thoughtful, strategic decisions. 2. Cut all non-essential expenses immediately. Now that you've assessed your situation, it's time to protect what's left. Every rupee matters, and the faster you act, the better your chances of staying afloat. Start cutting back on anything that isn't absolutely essential, and do it quickly. This means canceling streaming services, gym memberships, or monthly apps you rarely use. Skip takeout and dining out. Even small expenses add up fast when income stops. Postpone any large purchases, vacations, or unnecessary upgrades for now. Your focus should shift entirely to survival essentials. That includes rent or mortgage, groceries, utility bills, and transport. This is what's called a survival budget. It's bare bones, it's strict, but it keeps you in control during tough times. The tighter your budget, the longer your existing cash will last. And in a financial emergency, time is your most valuable asset. 3. Use your emergency fund, or build a small one. Now, if you already have an emergency fund, this is exactly what it was made for. But don't just start spending blindly. You need a plan for every rupee you touch. Focus on the most urgent and non-negotiable expenses first. Think rent, groceries, utility bills, things you simply cannot skip. Don't burn through your savings too quickly. Instead, stretch it out and treat it like fuel, enough to keep you moving forward, not racing to the finish. And if you don't have an emergency fund yet, don't panic. Start one today. Even setting aside small amounts like $20, $50, or $100 makes a difference in tough times. It's not about having a huge fund overnight. It's about creating a small buffer that gives you breathing room and reduces daily stress. That mental space can help you make better decisions when it matters most. Because in a crisis, even a little cushion can go a long way. 4. Find temporary or quick income streams. In a financial emergency, Staying still is the most dangerous move you can make. This step is all about taking action, even if it's small. You might not land your dream job right away, and that's okay. Right now, the goal isn't perfection, it's cash flow. Start looking for fast, temporary income sources that fit your skills and situation. That could mean freelancing online, doing remote customer support, or offering simple services in your local area. Consider delivery apps, online tutoring, or selling unused items from home. Even flipping things you already own, like electronics or furniture, can bring in quick cash. The point is to keep money moving in, no matter how small it feels. Because when you're earning, even a little, you're protecting your savings and your peace of mind. Money creates momentum, and the sooner you start moving, the more financial control you take back. 5. Build a 90-day survival plan. When life feels uncertain, planning gives you power. So instead of trying to solve everything at once, focus on just the next 90 days. Think of it as your comeback window, a short-term path to stability. You don't need a perfect long-term solution. You just need to stay afloat for the next 3 months. Start by building a simple plan around 3 key areas. How will you bring in income? Where can you cut more expenses? And how will you take care of your mental health? Set small weekly goals, nothing overwhelming. Track your progress, celebrate little wins, and make adjustments as you go. This isn't about having all the answers. It's about staying in motion. And when fear turns into action, that's when your confidence starts coming back. Your 90-day plan becomes your lifeline, clear, focused, and takeaway focus and entirely in your control. Bonus tip, ask for help if you need it. In tough times, pride can be your biggest obstacle. Don't let it stop you. There's absolutely no shame in asking for help when you need it most. Start by checking if you qualify for unemployment benefits or emergency relief programs. These are designed to support people exactly in situations like yours. Reach out to your utility companies, internet providers, and banks. Many of them offer payment plans, deferments, or hardship assistance, but only if you ask. Asking for help doesn't mean you failed. It means you're being smart and strategic. You're using every available tool to protect your finances and give yourself room to breathe. Remember, help exists for a reason, and this is exactly the moment it was made for. Empower your viewer. Yes, losing your job or income can shake your entire world, but it doesn't have to define your future. This isn't the end. It's a reset, a new beginning hiding inside a tough moment, and you have more control than you think. These 5 financial moves won't solve everything overnight, but they will give you the tools to survive, stay calm, and slowly rebuild your life. If this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need this guidance right now. Thanks for watching.